Right, so we've got this little thing to do. Well, I say little, it's actually quite a beast. Covered in all that Hessian and paint over stuff, keep all the slates intact, I guess. They must have been all slipping out everywhere. The chimney there. Got a link up to next door there. Little bonding gutter go up there, separate the two. With fibre cements going back on. Get all this off. Get it all watertight. Right, it's front stripped off. We're back to the original rafters. Decent nick, to be fair. Cover it in. Right, that's that side all battened in now. We'll let it go. A little bit more prep around here and then this will be ready for slating. Now I've got to just tackle this side now, get this all off. Felt battened in. Right, that's that section stripped off now, back to the original rafters. Oh, honestly, that stuff, mate, ripping it off, that is no fun. Still got this section here to do, which we're going to get off tomorrow. Getting on a little bit now in the day, so I don't want to put myself under pressure. Start covering in, get this watertight. But yeah, this stuff, honestly, just cost the customers more in the long run, you know. Yeah, it might stop a few slipping slates, blah blah blah, but a bit like that spray foam. Once you've done it, there's no going back. So the only option really after this is to strip it off and have a new roof. So, I mean, I suppose it'd give you a couple of years, get a bit saved up if you're short of funds or whatever, but still, works, so yeah, coming along nicely. Right, that's that now all in. Got that temporary covered over for now, so we can strip the rest of that off tomorrow. Then we can cover that all in properly, get it all battened in nice. Yeah, coming along. Right, that's it. She's in. Nice little secret guard there. It's a tad high, but there's a parting wall there, so done the best we could with that. It's a little bit higher than would have liked. That's it, nice new roof. Lovely job. To the next.